Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two exciting products in the spotlight, the ATTOP Mini Drone and the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball. We'll be comparing these two products in various categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the ATTOP Mini Drone comes in at $49, while the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is priced at $45. Both products offer great value for their price range, but if you're on a tighter budget, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball might be the better option for you. Now let's talk about the features. The ATTOP Mini Drone boasts HD pictures and live videos, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots and enjoy a first-person view through your smartphone. It also has a safe design with low battery warning and emergency stops, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Additionally, it's suitable for kids and beginners thanks to its easy-to-control features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. The ATTOP Mini Drone also offers multiple flight functions and control modes, including a cool AR game mode and voice control. On the other hand, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is a high-tech hand-controlled drone. It features a gyroscope and smart AI chip for intelligent flight, creating different flight lines and a boomerang effect. It's made of durable and lightweight ABS material, making it safe for kids to play with. The Flying Orb Ball is USB rechargeable and offers a flying time of 8 to 10 minutes. It's designed for anytime, anywhere fun, both indoors and outdoors, with its smooth flight pattern. Plus, it's a perfect gift for various occasions. When it comes to portability, the ATTOP Mini Drone shines with its foldable design. The drone's arms can be folded into the controller, making it compact and easy to carry. It can easily fit in your pocket, allowing you to take it anywhere and have fun with your family or friends. On the other hand, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is also lightweight and flexible, making it easy to transport and play with wherever you go. And there you have it, the comparison between the ATTOP Mini Drone and the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball. Both products have their unique features and advantages. If you're looking for a drone with camera capabilities, FPV experiences, and versatile control options, the ATTOP Mini Drone might be the perfect choice for you. However, if you prefer a hand-controlled drone with a boomerang effect and a focus on interactive play, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball could be the one for you. Remember, always consider your needs and preferences before making a purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Stay tuned for the next episode of Buy Smart.